Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be drawing a 3D house. So let's get started. First we're going to draw a square. Now we don't want the square touching the bottom or else it won't be that 3D. Because I usually draw steps or something. So once we're done our square, we're going to draw a rectangle across. And then on top of our mini square, we're going to draw a triangle. And then we're pretty much going to draw another rectangle. And that's our 3D shape. Next, I'm going to draw a chimney. Now, I don't usually have steam coming out of my chimney because I just don't really like steam that much. Next, we're going to draw a door. Now, we don't want the door shorter than the person or else the person won't be able to get in. Next, I'm going to draw some windows. So they're kind of a curvy shape. And then we're going to draw a line going up and a line going sideways. Then we're going to draw one underneath. Well, not a window, but a little bed where we will put the flowers. My flowers, I just kind of do like circles or something. And they turn out like butterfly shapes and stuff. I do about 3 windows. And we're just going to repeat that till we're done all 3 windows. Okay, next we're going to draw the steps. So we want to draw one lined up with the door. And then one nearly, and then we're just going to go kind of out. Then we're going to draw a line that connects to them, across. And then we're going to draw some stands, which will help the house hold on. With some lines across to kind of decorate it. Next, I usually draw some grass and then like a stepping stone, because it looks really nice. And a bird bath. For my bird bath, I do fill it up with water. Well, not really on my picture, but I make it look like there's water, and you do some lines. And sometimes I do lines to make it look shimmery and stuff. Next, we're going to draw the bricks on top of the house. So I'm starting with my rectangle one, and we want to draw bricks across. Now, we don't want the bricks lined up straight because that's not the proper way that bricks go. So we kind of want them, the first layer will go straight, and then the other one will do a line in the middle, and we keep repeating that till we're at the top. Sometimes if you do a really big house, it'll take you a long time to do the bricks. But when I was a little bit younger, I never really did bricks. I would just draw a normal house that wasn't 3D and stuff. But 3D houses actually look really, really cool when they're done colored and stuff.
The chocolate, these ones are chocolate, these ones are lemonade.
I've got one more row, then I'm going to move on to my triangle. Okay, maybe 2 rows, because I did this row too short. And when you get to your last row, you don't have to draw the squares, you can just draw the lines. For my triangle, I am going to start at the top and work my way down instead of work my way up like I did with the rectangle. Next, I'm going to draw a garden bed. And I'm going to fill it up with dirt. Next to that, I'm going to draw a watering can. And then there's the handle. Then in the flower bed, we're going to draw some flowers.
Put on stage. No.
Flowers can be in many different shapes and many different sizes, and they can be really, really different. Bye guys, hope you have a great time at home. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Bye!